On your mark. Get set. Wait, I wish I had a flag. Hold on. I do. Hello and welcome to this episode of Bake It Up a Notch Bite Size. In today's episode, we're doing something a little bit different and honestly, just for fun. I thought it would be great to ask some kid friends out there, some I know, some I've never met before, to dream up a crazy cool dessert that they wish existed. And today we're gonna bring those desserts to life. I am so excited for the fun that's about to happen and for you to see these desserts come right off of a page of a kid's coloring book into our kitchen here at Food 52. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, be sure to click like and subscribe so that you can be made aware of all of our new videos as they become available. Let's get baking.
What flavor is the pie?
Strawberry.
Would you drive your car on the pie or eat it?
Drive it.
And then eat it?
Nope.
You would never eat it?
I would play with it.
Okay. Should Erin make it for you?
Sure.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm using this technique to paint the pie dough. You can use gel food coloring and dissolve it in a little bit of clear alcohol. In the oven, that alcohol is going to evaporate off and only leave the color behind on the dough. So I'm gonna use that to paint us a racetrack. And I thought a slab pie would make the best shape for a racetrack because it gives me a nice, wide, and flat surface to paint on. Okay. Let's put this into the fridge for just a minute. My nephew, when he was younger, he wanted a Minecraft cake. And I was still in pastry school when he asked for this. So I was like even more extra than I am now. So I made homemade fondant and cut out hundreds of tiny individual squares and decorated the whole cake with tiny individual squares to make it look like Minecraft. The problem is the more you go all in on that with kids, the more they notice when it isn't accurate. You know what I mean? Like he was like pointing out all the discrepancies and I was just like, I will kill you. This took hours. Love me for this or see yourself out. No, just kidding.
And some sprinkles for decoration.
How many sprinkles?
So many.
What colors?
Rainbow.
It's exactly wide enough for the car. They can work. Okay. Let's race to the oven.
I'm gonna choose one that's not existing. I'm going to make a type of donut. I'm gonna have like a strawberry and cover it with like a medium amount of salt.
I think Jasper means sugar. That's what we'll do.
Then put like bread, like donut bread, around that strawberry with sugar on it. Then I'm gonna put like some chocolate over the top, so it's gonna be like a ball donut. Then I'm gonna put some like rainbow sprinkles. Then it's gonna be like a donut that's like round. It's a cake and it got a lot of layers. It's about peaches. Those are peaches. And it got chocolate inside. And it got a lot of layers.
This request didn't ask for rainbow sprinkles, but why the heck not? Whee! Thank you so much for joining me for this very fun, very special episode of Bake It Up a Notch, where we made some ideas from little ones come to life. This was so much fun for me, and if you want to see more of this, be sure to let us know in the comments, because we always love to know what y'all think. Please join us for our next episode, which is going to be all about ice cream, and I can't wait. Until then, happy baking.
Yeah!
What do you think of it?
Good.
Do you want to drive your car on it?
Yeah.